Hey everybody, Michael the Tutor 16 here. Today I'm going to be doing tutorial number 16 in Windows 10. And the topics for discussion in this tutorial will be that I'm going to show you how to create multiple desktops while working in your Windows 10 operating system. The advantages of doing this would be that you can customize multiple desktops while working on different projects. This helps in organizing your workspace, especially when you are using multiple programs at the same time. And by organizing multiple desktops, you are less likely to misplace or lose track of data and files. So let's go into Windows 10 and I'm going to show you how to create and manage multiple desktops. As you can see, I've gone into Windows 10 and today I'm going to show you how to create and manage multiple desktops within the Windows 10 operating system. Windows 10 gives you the ability to create multiple desktops, which helps especially when you're working with multiple programs at the same time. If you look at my taskbar, you'll see that I've got 8 programs running, and while it may be a little difficult to see, your taskbar should have a blue bar located underneath each actively running program. So I know that I've got my Notepad, Skype, my screen saving program, along with my PowerPoint, Excel, and Word, my Internet, and my File Explorer, all running underneath this active desktop. If I was to open all 8 programs at once and try to flip from one to the other, it would be very difficult to do. In tutorial number 12, we reviewed the Task View option. So if you go back to your Task View button on your taskbar and click on it one time, you'll see that it'll give you a pictorial representation of all of the programs that are currently running. So what I want to do is I want to create a second desktop and move all of my Microsoft Office products into that desktop itself. So I'm going to move Word, Excel, and PowerPoint out of my first desktop into my second. To do this, move your mouse down to the bottom right-hand corner, and while my subscription button may be covering it up, you should see a new desktop option. And when you click on it, watch what happens. You see that it now eliminates all of the programs because you're in your second desktop. To go back to your first, just move your mouse over it, and all of your icons and programs should reappear on your screen. Now I can start moving these programs. To do this, I'm just going to move my mouse up, I'm going to click and drag on Microsoft Word, and I'm going to drag it down to my second desktop. Now I'm going to do the same thing for Excel, just by clicking and dragging, and I'll do the same thing for my PowerPoint. Now I've got all of my Microsoft Office products located in desktop number 2, and all of my other programs are located in desktop 1. So if I go back to desktop 1, within my taskbar, you'll see that the only programs that it's showing active are my Notepad, Skype, my screen saving program, my Internet, and my File Explorer. To get back to desktop number 2, I'm going to go click on Task View again, move my mouse over to desktop number 2, and click on it one time. Now the only actively running programs on desktop 2 should be my PowerPoint, Excel, and Word. So this is how you maneuver and develop different desktops to keep your data organized, which should make your work a little easier. Now if you go back to your task view, and let's say that you're done and you wanted to eliminate the desktop number 2, you can close out of it just by clicking on the X. And don't worry about the programs that are in desktop number 2. They will not be closed out. They'll just be shifted back over to desktop number 1. So if I click on the X, you'll see that that desktop has now disappeared and everything is back to desktop number 1. So this is how you create and manage multiple desktops within the Windows 10 operating system. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the subscription button located at the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. If you have any questions or comments, please send them to me, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. I hope you have a great day, and thank you for watching.